Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com. Unlike traditional folding bikes that need to be held and carried, the Pop Cycle features a sliding body, allowing you to adjust the frame spacing to fit your size perfectly. This means anyone, regardless of age or gender, can ride in complete comfort. One of the most impressive features of the Pop Cycle is its quick and easy folding mechanism. In just 4 seconds, this bike can be folded up, making it perfect for busy commuters on the go. With a 78% folding efficiency, you can store it in tight spaces or even fit it in the trunk of your car. The Pop Cycle doesn't stop there. Its handles and pedals fold with a single touch, and you can even roll it on its wheels after folding, making it a breeze to carry around. The Pop Cycle's mobility really shines when you're using public transportation. It's compact and easy to maneuver, so you can effortlessly take it with you wherever you go. Not only is the Pop Cycle convenient and comfortable, but it's also eco-friendly. Its die casting method eliminates the need for welding, reducing material costs. Plus, the frames are assembled using bolts and nuts, giving you the satisfaction of building something from scratch. The Pop Cycle boasts 16-inch wheels that provide an average speed of 12 mph, 20 km/h. Thanks to its unique mechanism, the wheels rotate twice the rounds, offering the same performance as 20-inch wheels with an average speed of 20 mph, 30 km/h. With a dual speed gear, you can easily commute on roads or tackle hills without breaking a sweat. In summary, the Pop Cycle is the ultimate folding bike, combining comfort, portability, and eco-friendliness into one innovative package. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to travel, look no further than the Pop Cycle. Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com.